Okay, so let's talk real today because maybe this is the most important video for all for your career, okay? And don't know how many people will follow it, but let it be because see, you are not getting interview calls, you are not getting good package, no growth because you're copying what everyone else is doing, okay? Everyone is learning the same thing, everyone is doing the same courses, everyone is applying the for means everyone is applying for the same jobs, right? And the result is more competition, less salary, no guarantee. For past few days na, so many people have been asking me like which course should I do after PV, then how to get a good package in pharma industry, then how to get a job in MNC like IQVIA, Parexel, then Cognizant, TCS, Icon. Okay, so and honestly I want to tell you all something very practical, okay? Like stop running behind some random certification. The truth is English and pharma degree, these two things are not special anymore, and every second person has it now. So why you are running for it? Right now na companies are searching for people with a something extra skill, okay? And that extra is Japanese language skill, okay? Let me tell you why that Japanese language is a gold right now, okay? So let's slide it. Okay, so see why that Japanese language skill is a gold, okay? So big Japanese pharma companies like Takeda, Eisai, Astellas, Daiichi Sankyo are expanding globally, okay? And but their work style and documents, case reports na, are still in Japanese language, okay? So what they are doing na, they are outsourcing their work to India, to companies like IQVIA, Parexel, Cognizant, TCS, Infosys, Sinosel. Recently, I posted about job like pharmacovigilance safety specialist, I guess, in a Japanese language. Okay, so that's type of role come. Okay, so you should learn Japanese skill for that skill. Okay, you will get a high package for that. Okay, so but the right now na, the problem is na, they don't find enough people in India with PV plus Japanese skill, okay? And if you see na normal PV role, you will get uh, around 2.8 to 3.5, okay, LPA. But if you learn a Japanese skill na plus PV plus Japanese skill, you will get around 8 to 14 lakh, okay? As a fresher you will get a 8 lakh, at least minimum 8 lakh you will get easily in MNCs like Sinosel, Parexel, okay? And sometimes even more if you handle the Japan PMDA reports. You know about PMDA, right? If you learn pharmacovigilance you will get my point, okay? And what type of works you can do if you learn a Japanese skill, okay? So let's see. See that this is the role, okay? Drug safety associate, then case processor, then PV reviewer, PV language analyst, regulatory translator, then like translating safety reports, reading narratives in Japanese, then handling Japan clients call, then preparing PMDA submissions, then PV regulatory medical writing, clinical roles with the Japan clients, okay? And the best part is na, there is a no big experience needed, okay? Fresher can apply for that role. If you see na, lots of pharmacovigilance roles are coming with a Japanese language, okay? In India, and they don't need any experience, they only need a Japanese language skill, okay? So this is called the like they don't need a big experience, okay? And career gap is okay. Why? Because see you are learning Japanese language, so it will take around 6 to 1 year, okay? So that career gap is okay if you have a experience, and if you like side by side if you learn a Japanese language still you can get in this role, okay? And uh, how should I put this, let it be. So see, after that freshers also get high package, then you can work in Japan as well, like you can go in Japan and work there, like you can earn their salary. Like if you see na, the average salary in Japan na is, see, like 3680, okay? So this is the salary, average salary, okay? Like you will get 3 to 4 lakhs per month, okay? Nahi, sorry, yearly average around 6, okay? So it's a monthly salary, okay? 3 lakh is a monthly salary and 44 lakh is a yearly salary, okay? So that's it. And now people will say Japanese is a hard, okay? But come on, yaar, even medical terminology was hard when we started, right? But Japanese is just a language, okay? Learn till JLPT entry level, okay? So there are levels, okay? Like see, the beginner level is N5 and the fluent level is a N1, okay? So you need a average like N3. If you have a minimum N3 level proficiency na in Japanese language, then you will easily get that role, and it's not a hard. If you do hard work na, you will easily get the job, okay? So this is the first thing. And if you learn the Japanese language na, directly contact me, I'll place you. That's my guarantee, okay? So this is what it is, okay? Then after uh, then if you are in a pharma, like I'm telling you from my heart, if you are in a pharma PV clinical regulatory and you are serious about your next level growth na, then learn Japanese, please, yeah. It's not an expense, okay? It's a pure investment, okay? 1 year of learning na, you can like it can give you next 10 years of amazing career growth, okay? So that's it from my side. I'll tell you something more, okay? Just a minute. Okay, so see, uh, Japanese is a shortcut to salary growth, okay? So like if you work hard for 5 years now, so you will not get that much salary. But if you learn Japanese in 1 year, and it will double your salary. Like if you are getting 4 LPA, 5 LPA, na, you will get a 10 LPA, 11 LPA, 12 LPA. It's totally depend on you, your interview skills, okay? Then after that, there is a no competition right now because no one is learning now, right? So means we have a 15,000 people in a groups, right? But no one knows about Japanese language, okay? And last thing that there are lots of dumb people, okay? Like they are just applying, they don't see what written in that role, what is the job description, okay? So please read it, after that apply, okay? So that's it. And after that, see, you can work in Japan sitting in India. Like Japan outsource PB work to India, okay? And if you know Japanese, Japan salary plus India's comfort, so that's a very good opportunity for you. So please try to learn it, okay? Then Japanese PV jobs pay crazy extra. Like if you are in normal PV role, you will get 5 to 6 LPA. But if you have a PV plus Japanese role, you will get 8 to 14 LPA, okay? So why struggle for a 20% hike when you're getting 100%, right? So that's it. And I'll show you some profiles, okay? Like I'll paste here. See, so uh, मैंने ना like I written here like pharmacovigilance Japanese, okay? So if you see now, there are lots of Indian people who learn Japanese, and they are right now manager in pharmacovigilance, okay? Like pharmacovigilance service analyst at Accenture, then safety and PV specialist, it's a Sinus health role, okay? Japanese language expert. If you see now, see, then after that see, then this is one is Upendra Agrawal, Senior Associate Manager, Safety Operation. Okay. Uh, so he also learned Japanese language N2 level. Okay. And right now he's pursuing N1 to get a more package, right? So you should learn about that. Okay. See, now this is Krunal Pawar. He's in Switzerland right now, and he's in pharmacovigilance, right? So that's why I'm telling you to please learn like please learn Japanese language if you want a high growth, okay? Doing courses, doing apply means applying for the same job na, it's like hectic na. Like how much you can apply, right na? So please try to learn. And if you learn that Japanese skill, like if you have a N3 or N2 level proficiency na, just contact me, I'll directly place you, okay? That's my guarantee because I have a referral in Sinos, Parexel, IQVIA, okay? And they need a Japanese language people. So uh, if you have that skill, you can contact me. And if you don't have, please learn it because there is a very low competition right now, okay? So please